4K, baby.
Unbelievable stuff. Unbelievable stuff.
High definition.
Hello, hello.
Right then, 4K.
4K.
We've got a new camera. We've got a Sony a7 IV, and we're just trying to figure out how to use it because we've been filming on Canons for the past 10 years, 12 years. So we're just gonna do a small little video today, and I'm gonna start using a new editing software as well. So bear with me whilst I learn all this new stuff because it might take me a while, but we're just gonna start off small.
Yeah.
I'm always in focus. Look at that. Anyway, what's our plan for today?
V8, engine stand, build.
Yeah.
Take it apart.
If you watched the last video, you saw that we pieced this back together. We've still got a few bits left to do, but Andy is just proper keen. You want to get that engine on the engine stand, don't you?
Yeah, because I know what we're like. We'll stop for a while and then it'll be 6 months.
Yeah.
So, ball's rolling. Let's kick it.
This is our engine crane, because we need to pick up the V8 to put it on an engine stand, and this is broken after not that much use. So if you're ever going to get an SGS engine crane,
Don't get it.
we've got to fix this before we can start on the engine. Side quest number 1. What we got? A red one.
Red Ram.
Red rum.
I think it'll fit.
I would checked it.
Nice. Back in business, baby.
Cooking with gas now.
All right, let's grab a V8. Oh my God, I'm buzzing to have an engine crane back. That's been a while, hasn't it? Imagine that, snaps on my toes.
Oh,
So, it's been a long time since we touched this engine, or even told anyone what we're doing. So what we are doing is V8 swapping this. So this is originally a 328, and we're putting this in it, which is M60B40, 4-litre V8 from a 740i, BMW E38. We've already got an adapter kit and flywheel and stuff.
adapted sump.
We've got the sump, which is already done there.
Engine mounts are done as well, aren't they?
Engine mounts are done. And we also welded on the extended engine mounts, which are there. Look at this as well. Picked up some new tools. New tool drawer. We've got Torx heads, Allen keys, full set. Oh yeah.
At least the motor ain't seized. Just turned it over.
So this is the head for the engine stand. What are we going for it then?
Like that, I reckon.
That's hideous. Let's see if these bolts are strong enough.
Got some pillows to put down, I think.
Only one way to find out. Oh, stop that.
I can't. Bumper. I got her.
She in?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, ready? You keep an eye. There's no weight on the crane now.
Yeah. Stop there.
Tell you what we could do, cut a piece of wood and just hammer it. And just put a bit of wood there.
Yeah.
Huge.
If you make it like tight fit, it'd be 35.
Our bolts for the engine stand have gone into our adapter plate, which is aluminium, which isn't that strong, and I don't trust that because that's a heavy engine. So we're just gonna make a quick little
Couple of supports.
little ting, yeah. Tidy.
All right, innit?
Yeah.
Give it a little bit, doesn't it?
Just supports it a smidge, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I feel a bit better about that now. Right, 2 secs. I think Stu's just pulled outside. He needs a favour because he's just bought a new daily and he wants some coding doing. So let's just go give him a hand with that real quick. Look at this. Oh, what a motor. Don't know about the gold wheels, but very nice. Stu-Boat,
Welcome.
welcome to the new daily. Got cold?
Terrible cold.
You so hanging.
It's a 335D E92 BMW 2007 in black with gold wheels. I don't like.
You don't like the gold wheels?
Nah. And it goes really fast.
Right, you give that a plug in.
Yeah.
You've got an annoying thing that you want to change, don't you?
I've got many annoying things in my life, but this is one of them.
So when you start the car, because it's a coupe, these little things come out. And they miss the seatbelt basically, don't they? It looks like Alien's little mouth, isn't it? We're on the Carly app. Press connect. There's the ticket. Seatbelt, handover, passenger and driver. Take that. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to take that. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to go to coding, code. All right, do you want to turn the car off?
Gosh. Off.
Back on.
On.
Are they going to pass them? No, they're not. Whilst we're here, I'm just going to use Carly because this is a new car and we don't know what's going on. I'm going to do a diagnostics. We're going to check for issues. And basically what that's going to do is it's going to read all the fault codes that your car's picked up and then I'm going to clear them all. Pretend like they never happened. Oh, you got an engine one. Let's have a look at that.
Oh, no.
Glow plug, cylinder 2 activation.
Oh, great heavens.
Oh, you don't need glow plugs. Fix it all. See you later. Do you have any other things you wanted to do? Didn't you say the mirrors?
Oh yeah, the mirrors fold up.
You want the mirrors to fold?
Yeah. When you park, I want them to do a 360, like the Exorcism.
Comfort folding for side view mirrors. On. Lock it. Oh, mama. Both sides?
Both sides.
Oh, wow. Unlock?
Ready? You won't believe this bit.
Look at that. Look at what Carly can do for you.
Everything.
Yeah, everything. Anything else you want coding?
What else you got?
Do you want the USDM headlights?
Oh.
Change that to the US model. Oh yeah, they're on. I think you got a bulb out, but the corner markers are on. Very handy little device, Carly. We use it all the time. Every time someone gets a new car, we always plug it in and have a little play. That is the thing you want to get, Carly. I can also get you 15% off if you use my code BOCA23. Plug that in, you'll get 15% off. And basically just grab one of these, stick it in your glove box, or just constantly keep it in your OBD2 port, which is what I do. And basically, whenever you need to read a code, whenever you want to do a little bit of tweaking, Carly is sick and we love it. And thank you very much for sponsoring this video. BOCA23, and that will get you 15% off. Brand new oil. Go on then.
I think it's just whatever you sort of think, to be honest.
I'm gonna go for that engine mount. What are you taking off?
Just going to take off the water pump. What are you doing to bashing off the...
Yeah, just getting rid of some clutter.
Like Betty had a champ and I land the damn thing on.
That shook some skeletons loose. Alternator. Some pulleys which feel pretty. Listen to that. That's cooked. Water pump coming off.
Maybe.
Let's see if it's going to piss any coolant out.
No coolant pissing.
Dry as a bone.
Well, that one's broke. Like that. Then we're going to break the other one as well.
There you go.
Lovely stuff.
Big unit coming out. So that's the water pump and everything.
I reckon there was a leak at some point.
That is disgusting.
Someone's had a fire.
Oh, it's minging, isn't it?
That's coolant, that.
Yeah.
Sitting.
All right, alternator free.
With its own little breather.
M52s have that as well.
Did I?
Yeah, it's cooling, isn't it? Cooling duct. She was tight. Next up, we've got 4 sensors in here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing they're knock sensors. And then we've got this one here, which I'm guessing is a cam position sensor. And then we've got this one there, which is probably crank position sensor, because it's right on the crank. So that's 6 sensors we need to get rid of. Also, never done a time lapse on this camera, so I'm going to do one right now, and we're going to see what it's like. We're getting there, it's looking pretty bare. Coil packs are out. Just done the oil filter housing. All the accessories are basically gone now.
It's the big, solid stuff.
It looks so good as just a bare engine, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you bass.
Not going at all. Well, we'll try that another day. M60 is stripped of all the accessories anyway. So from here, we've got to clean it up obviously, because it is mank. We're going to take the rocker covers off, get them powder coated. We're going to take the heads off, do head gasket, head bolts just whilst we're here, re-gasket the whole thing.
All the way up.
In this box here, we have all of we've got belts, we've got gaskets from BM, got Febby, water pump gasket, rocker cover gasket. We've just got literally a box full of gaskets. This is more progress that we've made on this engine in half a day than it is in 2 years that I've had it, so
Yeah.
it's not that hard. But yeah, we're making progress. Just thought we'd make a simple, quick little video on the new camera. Yeah, definitely don't breathe that in. Dried coolant dust. Drop us a comment down below, let us know what you think of the new camera and also this new hoodie, which is going to come out in November, Black Friday. It's one of Andy's new designs, the grenade hoodie. If you want to win this hoodie, drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think of the new camera, let us know what you think of the V8. Tell us that you love us. We're flying now, we're making progress, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.